Okay, so hello everyone. This is a DSA with Python playlist. Here we are learning how to create logic for the basic problems and how we can build the logic for advanced problem. Means how we can handle the advanced DSA problem and basic DSA problem. So we are starting with basic. So in starting we are solving basic DSA problems, and in the mid of the playlist or in the last of the playlist we will learn advanced problem as well. Okay, so the first problem is we are going to learn about like sum of odd digits. So how we can add all the odd digits from a number. For example, I have a number like 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is my number, right? So what I have to do, I have to take odd digits, this one and this one, and we have to add this. So what is the result? 4. So this we have to perform. Okay, so what we will do, we will fetch all the digits one by one. Okay, we will take this digit, and this digit. Okay, so how we can fetch the last digit? So for fetching last digit, we will write something like num modulus 10. When, when you write num modulus 10, it will take the last digit, which is 4. Okay, and we will store this digit inside a variable called d. Okay, so d containing what? D containing 4, right? And this 4 we will store. Okay, this 4, what we will do, we will apply if condition, and we will check whether this d modulus divided by 2 equals to 0 or not. If it is equals to 0, we will ignore it, or otherwise we can write not equals to 0. Not equals to 0 means it is an odd number. If it is an odd number, then perform sum. S plus is equals to D. Okay, D means that number. So, okay, so this is what? This is even number. So it will not satisfy the condition because this number is giving 0. It is equals to 0. So it will not true for this case. So we will take another digit. What is the another digit? This 3. So how we'll get the second last digit? So we don't have any logic right now to get second last digit. So what we will do, we will delete the last digit. Once we perform operation with this last digit, just delete it. So how to delete the last digit? So we can write here num. Okay, num is equals to num floor division 10. So when you write num floor division 10, it will delete the last digit. Okay, and this is the formula to get the last digit. So now what is the last digit? Now 3 is the last digit because 4 is deleted. So it will take 3 as the last digit, right? And it will check whether this 3 modulus 2 giving 0 or not. So it is not giving 0. So means this is true. This is true means so it will add digit inside what? S. So what will be the S value? S value will become 3, right? And it will again delete the last digit. What is the last digit? It will delete this. And this formula will take the last digit. So now what is the last digit? 2, because 3 is deleted. Okay, so now the value is what? 2. So 2 modulus 2 is not equivalent to 0. No, it is equivalent to 0, means condition false. Okay, delete the last digit. So delete it. Now take the last digit. What is the last digit? This. And who will take the last digit? This formula. Okay, so what is the last digit? 1. Okay, 1 is the last digit. And check. 1 modulus 2 is equivalent to 0. No, it is not equivalent to 0, means condition is true. Condition true means add. Okay, so what it will do? 1 plus 3. What is the value? 4. Okay, so it will give 4, and after that it will delete the number. So nothing is there deleted. So nothing is there to fetch any number. We cannot fetch any number. So we will stop here. Okay, and this operation we will write inside a loop. Which loop? While loop. This operation we will write inside the while loop until number is greater than 0. We have to execute it. Okay, until number will not finish, we will execute it. See how we will do it in code. So first we will take a number from the user. Okay, integer number, input, enter a number, right? And after that, what we will do? We will create while loop because we have to repeat the steps until number is greater than 0. So what we will do, suppose user entered one number like 1, 2, 3, 4. So first what we have to do, we have to take this last digit. Okay, so get last digit. So how you will get the last digit? We will write one formula called num modulus 10. Okay, num modulus 10 will fetch the last digit. Okay, so it will fetch the last digit. What is the last digit? 4. Okay, and this 4 we will store inside a variable. What is the variable name? Suppose d is a variable. What is the d value initially? D value initially is 0. Okay, so now what is the d value? Will become 4. Okay, after that, what we have to do? We have to check the odd and even. Okay, because we have to add all odd digits now. So check even or odd digit, right? So how you will check? If condition. So if num modulus 2, if num modulus 2, okay, equals to 0, means this is what? Even digit, but we have to check, we have to add to the odd digit. So we will write here not equals to, means after this operation remainder should not be 0. If it is true, means we will add the digit. Okay, so how you will add? S is equals to s plus d. Okay, what is the s value? S value is also initially 0. Okay, so it will add the digits. It will only add the odd digits. Okay, it will not add 4 because 4 is giving 0, but we have to add those digits, those who are not giving 0 after performing this calculation, right? And after that, once we done with 4, we have to take another digit. So for taking another digit, see, this formula will take always the last digit. Okay, so if I delete this 4, means then it will take another digit which is 3. Okay, so how to delete the last digit? So delete the last digit. So for deleting last digit, we will write here num is equals to num floor division 10. Okay, so it will delete the last digit. So last digit deleted. Okay, now number is still greater than 0. What is the number? 1, 2, 3. It is still greater than 0. So fetch the last digit. So what is the last digit now? 3. Okay, so now 3 modulus 2 is equals to 0. No, it is not equals to 0, means condition true. Add the digit. What is the digit? It will add 3. So initially what is there inside s? Okay, I'm writing this comment. Comment is ignorable by the compiler. So 3 added. Okay, and plus symbol is there. After that, delete the last digit. Last digit deleted. Okay, what is our number? 1, 2. So 1, 2 is greater than 0. Yes, condition true, means what we have to do? Just take the last digit. So what is the last digit now? 2. 2 is the last digit. So now the last digit is 2, right? And 2 will store inside the D. And now check whether this 2 is divisible by 2. Yes, it is completely divisible by 2, and it will give 0 as remainder. So if it is giving 0 remainder, means don't take this number, ignore this number and delete the number. Okay, number deleted. Okay, now check whether this number greater than 0 or not. Yes, number is greater than 0, 1 is greater than 0. Okay, so what we will do? Take the last digit. So what is the last digit? This is the last digit. So taken. Okay, last digit is stored inside the D. So number, what is the number? 1. 1 is divisible by 2 and remainder 0. No. Number 1, 1 modulus 2 will not give remainder 0. So condition true. Okay, it is not equivalent to 0, means condition true. Then what we have to do? Add that number. What is the digit value? Inside the digit, we have 1. So 1 is there. So what is the sum? Sum is 4. So 4 is stored inside S. Right? Now delete the number. Number deleted. Okay, so nothing is there. So nothing is there means nothing is greater than 0. No, it is not greater than 0, means the while loop condition false. If while loop false means this statement will not execute. So what we have to do, we have to print the sum. So sum contained by which variable? S variable. S is containing the sum. Okay, so we will print here S. So print f string. Okay, addition of all digits are, okay, I mean odd digits, addition of digits, just simply write here S. Okay, all right, so let's check what's the, let me take one number 1 2 3 4. So what is the sum of odd digits? 1 is odd, 3 is odd, and what is the sum? 4. Okay, so these are the basic problem is interviewer may ask you. Okay, based on the logic of these problems you can handle the large, means advanced problem also, but the thing is you should know the basic. So it is taking odd, then odd, then odd. Okay, 5 or 3 8, 8 and 1 9. So the sum of odd digits are 9. Okay, if we have to check for even digits, if we have to check for even digits, so what we will do, we will write here is equals to when a number is divisible by when a number is divisible by 2 and giving remainder is 0, then only add. So now it will perform operation on even digits. So for example, I'm writing some number and it is calculating even digits. Okay, so like 2 is even, 4 is even, 2 and 4 6, 6 and 6 is even, 6 and 6 is what? 12. So it is giving 12. Okay, so this is how we can perform the calculation. So make it odd only. Odd means we will writing here, ignore the even digits. Alright. So hope you understood this program. Thank you everyone. Just practice this program. In the next video, we will write more similar programs. Alright. So thank you everyone.